Hi, this is just going to be a quick video about the installation kit package that you get when you buy one of our direct replacement NuTone entry door station speaker cones. To make the installation of these easy for everyone, we give you, along with the speaker cone, we give you an installation kit that gives you everything you need to install it on your existing faceplate. So what this includes is you get a little wiring harness kit, which is a red and black wire with the proper size push-on spade connector crimped onto the end. We actually make these here. You can see we've got a whole bunch of them. You get the 4 little push nuts that you need to install it when you're putting it on the back of a metal grilled, like an IS69, IS70, IS54, IS55. These are the proper size little push nuts. We have a video that shows how you replace the speaker cone using these. If you have a plastic grilled entry door station, then it's got 4 Phillips screws and you just reuse the screws and that's easy. And then you also get 2 little, what in the business we call bean connectors. I guess because they look like little beans. This is so you take one of the wiring harness wires and you twist it onto the end of the wire that comes out of the wall housing out on your front porch, and then you slip this over the end of it like this, and you crimp it closed and it makes the connection. It's got a little metal sleeve inside of it, and there's little teeth in it, and then when you crimp it closed it bites into the wire and makes a proper connection. This is sort of a good industry kind of closure, and these are nice because for service later on, even though you'll probably never do this, there's a little opening in the end right here, and that's a place where you can stick your multimeter probe to test the continuity of the wire or whatever it is you need to test without having to remove it. So if you buy one of our replacement entry door speaker cones, you get the little installation kit that goes along with it. This gets sent out with every single one, regardless of whether you need the push nuts or not. It still is in the bag, so it's just standardized that way, and it makes it a little bit easier. Cindy's been working really hard. We've been sending out speaker cones like every day, and she's been making up these. She started making the wiring harnesses probably a couple months ago, and we have enough for our first 1,000 speakers. We bought a lot of push nuts. Bean connectors are easy. They come from the local supplier, and they come in this really nice little poly bag like this, so it doesn't get lost, and that's what you get with it. I hope you found this interesting and helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up on YouTube. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell or on the wheel, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. See you on the next video.